Well, the triple jump finished a little earlier, and it was a good competition, and Tosin Oke was flirting with third and fourth place right the way through this competition until in the very last round he pulled out a jump with which we would normally associate with him, 16 meters and 71. It was enough. His best before that was 16.48, and then he was pushed out by Carter, who did a 16.58. That's Chris Carter, but then he prevailed. Now, in second place was Benjamin Compaoré of France. He started off with 17 meters and 1. It was his only 17-meter jump in the competition, actually. He had 3 or 4 more 16-meter jumps, but it was a season's best for him, and good enough. Now, here's a man in very good form. Remember, second in Doha with 18 meters and 4. Promised to break Jonathan Edwards' record before this event. Didn't quite do that. Didn't even get the meeting record. But that 17 meters and 40 rather, he had 17.14, 17.37, 17.14, 17.37 and 17.26. So it was a great series for him to win this triple jump competition. It really was. The meeting record, 17.74, was Christian Olsen's. Couldn't quite get to that. And that, of course, the Swede set in 2003. 17.40 was his best, but really all his jumps were better than the rest. There it is, Taylor 17.40, Compaoré 17.01, and Oke 16.71 in third place.